love fast food. No, wait, I mean, I love food that's fast, rather, food that's made fast. So I'm here at True True Pizza. Staff can bake a customized pie in under 3 minutes.
I don't like to put our pizza into a category. There's kind of an obsession in Toronto to try to regionalize the pizza. Oh, it's a traditional margarita, or it's a Chicago deep dish. I like to call our pizza Toronto pizza. It's funky and unique, like the neighborhood. We like to focus on the quality of the food, and that when the pizza comes out, it's the best pizza you've ever had. So that's the first thing. And the fact that we can do it in 2.5 minutes just puts it, above and beyond anyone's expectations.
Slice, dress with oil, shake a cheese, box for takeout.
Beautiful, crispy, doughy crust, and the toppings are awesome. This salty prosciutto, the one that I'm eating, with the caramelized onion, the crispness of the asparagus. So, True True Pizza, extra quick pizza, sourced. I like this pizza, it's really freaking yummy. Questo pizza? Ciao!